for our reborn baby doll in exchange for my honest review, and we're gonna do it all together. So it comes in a cute little box with a unicorn, which is gonna be great for gift giving season. And then when we open it up, our outfit is sealed inside. Oh my gosh, this outfit is going to be adorable. We've got our little jacket with the hood and the unicorn horn. We've got the little onesie to go underneath. We've got a bib right here. We've got a little beanie. And we've even got little socks as well as our pants. So here you can see all of the great things. And look at the back of the pants. It's got a little unicorn tail. This outfit is going to be adorable. So now we're gonna go ahead and dress the baby. So the first thing we wanna do is we wanna put the bottom layer on. And just like that, our baby is ready. This outfit is adorable. I love the fact that it's got little ears, it's got the horn, and it's got the cute little tushy tail. As a mom, one of my favorite things about this outfit is not only how soft it is to the touch, but it's machine washable. And so if it gets dirty, I don't have to worry. I can simply throw it in the wash and she is ready to be played with again. Okay, your baby's ready.
Thank you, Mom. She's so cute and so soft.
So it's a win overall. I hope you found the review helpful.